Today we're transforming a powder room from dated hardwood to a stunning modern hexagon tile. Before we even pull a single board, we protect the home. You'll see drop cloths throughout the hallway and even a curious supervisor keeping an eye on progress. Every project at Floor Concepts starts with protecting your investment. The challenge here is removing the hardwood in the bathroom without damaging the hardwood in the hallway. Precision is key. We use a tape to mark the clean transition line and a T-square for a perfect cut. We set our saw blades to the exact depth of the floor, not a fraction deeper, to ensure the subfloor remains perfectly intact. By hand prying those first two boards near the doorway, we guarantee a seamless butt-up to the existing hallway floor with zero splitting. A great tile job is 90% prep. We remove every old staple and nail, literally running our hands over the subfloor to feel for any imperfections. If the foundation isn't clean, the tile won't be flat. To prevent future cracking, we install a cement board underlayment. We do the heavy cutting outside to keep the dust out of your home. And we mix our thin set to a perfect consistency for a permanent bond. We spread the thin set carefully, especially near the hallway transition. The cement board goes down like a puzzle piece, a perfect fit on the first try. We nail it down and thin set the seams for a rock solid base. Now for the star of the show, these beautiful hexagon tile sheets. We start under the vanity toe kick and work our way out. Hexagon requires a steady hand to keep the lines straight, and we mop as we go to keep the tile faces pristine. For the intricate cuts around the doorway, we head back to the tile saw. For those tiny delicate edge pieces, a manual cutter gives us the control we need for a flush fit. To bridge the gap between the new tile and the old hardwood, we install a Schluter strip to provide a sleek modern transition and protects the edges of both the floors from chipping. Once the last tiles are set, we don't just walk away. We vacuum the grooves, remove the protective tape, and leave the hallway as clean as we found it. The result is a powder room that is as durable as it is beautiful. A small space with a big impact installed the right way. Whether it's a small bathroom or a whole home, we treat your floors like our own. If you're planning a bathroom remodel in the Wilmington area, come visit us here at Floor Concepts on Kirkwood Highway, or go to our website at www.floorconcepts.com. We also have a calculator on there that can help you figure out what this project would cost in your home. Hit subscribe for more honest floor tips, and I'll see you guys in the next video.